Walmart Pay lets you store more than one debit or credit card in the Walmart app. But only one card is selected at checkout, unless you manually switch it before paying. By the end, you'll know how to add multiple cards, how to switch between them at checkout, and what usually causes payment errors when people try to use more than one card. Here's how it works. First, open the Walmart app and go to the Walmart Pay section inside your account menu. This is where all saved payment methods are managed. Tap the option to add a new debit or credit card. Enter the card details manually, if it's not already saved from a previous purchase. Once added, the card is stored in your Walmart Pay wallet inside the app. Repeat the same process for any additional cards. Each card is saved individually, so you can keep multiple payment methods ready for different purchases. Now here's the part most people miss. Walmart Pay does not automatically split payments across multiple cards. You always choose one card per transaction. If you want to use a different card, you have to select it manually before generating the QR code at checkout. When you are ready to pay in-store, open Walmart Pay and check which card is currently selected. If it's not the one you want, tap the payment method and switch to the correct card before scanning the QR code at the register. This step matters because once the QR code is scanned, the payment is locked in. You cannot switch cards mid-transaction. Another common issue is failed payments when a card is inactive or has outdated billing information. If Walmart Pay declines a card, it usually means the issuing bank rejected the transaction, not the app itself. If you run into that, remove and re-add the card or update billing details inside the payment settings. Security-wise, Walmart Pay stores your cards using tokenized encryption. That means your actual card number is not shared with the store during checkout. The system is designed for convenience, but it still follows a one card per transaction rule. Summary. Here. You can add multiple cards inside Walmart Pay by saving them in the app. You must manually select one card before each purchase, and payments won't split across multiple cards in a single transaction. Next step is simple. Open your Walmart app, add your preferred cards, and check which one is set as default before your next checkout. If you want more clear walkthroughs like this, subscribe for more simple guides.